You can see from far, that's the people who are checking the ticket, and that's where you need to go through the queue to the Burj Khalifa building, which is on 124 and 120 feet place where I booked the ticket. I mean, my travel person has booked the ticket for me. So today evening, I'm going to spend my time there, and I'll also roaming inside the Dubai Mall for just a window watching, because I know it's very expensive affair to buy anything here. So that's how my blog is all about today. I'm at Dubai Mall. Yes, you heard it correct. It is Dubai Mall, the world's biggest mall, and it's almost 1 million square meter of space, and it can contain 200 football grounds. Actually, it's such a big mall. So I'm not able to possible to cover the entire mall. So I'll just give you a glimpse of this mall before I head to Burj Khalifa, which I've already booked the ticket for Burj Khalifa, which I'm going to cover in my next vlog, where I can go to 124th and 125th floor of Burj Khalifa to get a beautiful view, night view of Dubai. Okay, so that's my plan. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel, and you can see behind me, that's the Burj Khalifa. You can see the tallest building of the world, and this side, beautiful tall high-rise area, and here the fountain show also happens too, which I'm going to record once I come back from Burj Khalifa view. Then I'll do a record of this fountain, which I'm going to finish by 11 p.m. so that I can catch my taxi who is going to pick me from here. Then I'll go back to my hotel. So let's not waste my time. So now the time is around, it's 18:05, so I have only 1 hour left in order to go into the queue for the Burj Khalifa. Okay, so let me quickly do a shot of Dubai Mall, probably in half an hour of shot, then I'll go to Burj Khalifa. Okay, don't forget to click the subscribe button on my channel, and stay tuned. Hafiz Mustafa 1864. A lot of victories. This looks really artistic and beautiful. Oh wow. Look at this. Oh, there is an aquarium in the downstairs. Oh wow. This looks awesome. See, it's a nice fish aquarium here. Wow, the stingray. So I'm going to stop this vlogging right now. So I need to go to the queue where I need to go to 125th floor of Burj Khalifa to see the Dubai night view. So stay tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button of my channel. Let's watch next the Burj Khalifa top floor, how looks nice from the 125th floor of Burj Khalifa. Okay.